Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a simple tutorial video on how to make a face mask. Two different ways you can make a face mask from the convenience of your homes, and trust me, it is going to be a very simple and well detailed tutorial.
Just like the wind, she slipped through.
First step for you to do is to draft a pattern for your mask. So yeah, to draft your pattern, for your width you need 8 inches and for your length you need 6 inches. So you go ahead and chalk this down with your tape, measure out 6 inches as the length and 8 inches as the width.
Just like the wind, she's.
You're done chalking this down, you connect the lines and then you cut the pattern out, because now you have to place this pattern on your fabric and cut it out. For the first tutorial, you'll be needing a lining and then your fabric. I'll be using Ankara as my fabric and then my lining. So you place the both fabrics together, both your lining and then your Ankara, and then you place the pattern on top of your fabrics and then cut it out. Make sure you leave out half an inch on the fabric as the sewing allowance. Once you're done cutting this out, please go ahead and find the right side of the fabric on the Ankara and the lining and place right side facing right side. Take this to your machine to sew by half an inch, and you can also use your needle and thread for this job, but make sure you do a tight stitch. After you're done sewing this on the wrong side of the fabric, you flip this inside out to the right sides and then you take it to your machine again and top stitch. I am done with the top stitching, so this is how it looks. The next step for us to do now is to pleat this fabric on each other, so you guys please pay attention to what I am doing right now on the video. Before I go ahead with the pleating, I went ahead to fold this fabric into two and then I notched to get the middle point, and after notching I'll just go ahead and pleat this fabric just as seen on the video.
Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah, just like the earth. Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah, just like the earth.
After achieving my pleats, now I need to create a space for where my band will be passing through and then cover up the two sides that are rough. So I brought in another fabric that is I think 5 inches or 4 inches long and then 2 to 3 inches wide. I'll be using this fabric now to cover up the sides and then use it to create a space for where my band will be passing through.
Flash of memories played before my eyes.
Guys, I would advise you to pay attention to what I am doing right now on the video. In case you don't understand what I'm saying, you can still look at my actions, look at what I'm doing on the video and get the steps. Go ahead and fold the top and the bottom of the fabric you're trying to use to cover up the sides of the marks, and then you place the fabric on the marks. You sew by half an inch and then you turn it to the other side. You turn it just the way I'm turning it right now, and then you fold again and then you sew. Make sure that the space you leave is going to be enough for your band to pass through, and then you sew.
Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah, just like the earth.
This is the band I'll be using for the marks. This band is 9 inches long. You can make yours smaller, you can make it 8 and 7, it's up to you. So yeah, I don't have a safety pin, a small safety pin to pass this through my marks. What I'll be doing now is I'll be using my needle and thread to sew on the band first, and then I'll use my needle to pass this through the marks. After passing the band through the marks, I'll go ahead and close this up, and once that is done, you guys, I'll repeat the same step on the other side of the marks, and that is it, you guys, the first marks is ready.
Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah. Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah. Just like the earth.
Second part of this video, you guys, you just go ahead and place the pattern on the fabric and the lining and cut this out, and do the same thing you did for the first. You sew by the wrong side and then you flip to the right side and you top stitch. After you're done with repeating the steps you did for the first, this is how you pleat for the second part of this video. You go ahead and make 3 pleats, just as I am doing, 3 pleats, just 3. You make 3 pleats on this side and you make 3 pleats on the other side, and you take this to your machine and sew by 1/2 inch.
Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah. Just like the earth. Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah. Just like the earth. Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah. Just like the earth.
Once you're done sewing this, you just go ahead and fold this in by 1/2 inch. You fold it in to the lining side. From the fabric to the lining side, you fold it in and then you close it up. Make sure the space is going to be enough for your band to pass through, and then you close this up.
Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah. Just like the earth beneath fell away.
After you're done closing this up, make sure that this space you left is enough for your band to pass through. So once you're done with all that, you just go ahead and pass your band through this and repeat the same step we did for the first. You pass your band through this and you close your band, and that is it, you guys. The second part of this video is done. Wasn't that very quick and easy like I said it was going to be? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it well detailed and well explained. And also, if you're watching me for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so you get notification when a new video is being uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. Please stay safe. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.